Welcome to Violeta Inc. I'm Elena Cázares. In this card, we're going to be using this image from VanillaArts. It's called Scarlett Geranium, and it's actually a class that you can take. You get the DG and you get the class. So we're gonna have the link on the description box so you can go and check it out. So this is it started with a 5x7 card note, but you're gonna see we're gonna cut it in a little bit. So this is my finished project, and now I'm gonna cut it. This is just a regular frame die. You can use any frame you like. And then I'm gonna use this die that is gonna cut 6 square stitch squares. I'm gonna have to use it twice because it's not big enough. So now I have the frame. I cut it a couple of times. This one is in red, just because I thought that it will match with the scarlet color. And as you can see, it's not gonna be exactly proportionate to the card note. And that is why we're gonna have to cut it in a little bit. So this is the end result of the framing on the inside of the frame, where I use the small die twice. Now the inside of the frame is a little bit bigger than the frame. I don't know why. So we're gonna have to cut a little bit on the sides, just making sure that it is correct, that it looks proportionate. And as you can see, it does not. It has too much height. Now is the correct size. So I wanted some dimension on the frame. I cut a couple of the frames, which they're right there. I have 1, 2, well, it's gonna be 3 frames now. Here I am using Connect glue from Gina K. I'm gonna be using a lot of glue. And now we just need to put it on our card note, which the last measurements are going to be 5 by 6.5. So now you can see the inside frame is a little bit bigger, so we need to cut a little bit of it so it just goes inside the frame. Now we're just gonna glue it in place. We're not adding any dimension to this part. Let's make sure that the scarlet color that you can see is on the top, not on the bottom, because on the bottom is the leaves. So now we're gonna be piecing together all these little pieces. I cut the small die like 3 or 4 times, so I can give some dimension to the original image. I'm using Connect glue from Gina K. I'm putting one, and I'm making sure that I separate them once I put one piece of paper in the back, so they're all the same height. They're not all different. It's very easy to wiggle them because of the glue, so they can be perfectly square. Well, they're not even squares, they're rectangles, but you know what I mean. Now we're gonna do it again. So this is the perfect time to remind you, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button, and if you like this video, like it. Go look at the others, invite your friends. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we also have a Pinterest where we post all our cards and the classes. And I think I'm almost done. Let me see. Oh, these are the last parts. Now, I am not going to be able to post a link to the dies that I used in this card. And the reason is I fundraise for Crafts for Paws, which is a nonprofit animal rescue. And we buy and sell craft supplies. We got this huge donation with a lot of dies and stamps and that. But this die was loose. So I don't know who made it. And everything that you see that I use in the videos, everything was donated. I always use the ones that we don't sell. So that's what I will use in this video. So sometimes I cannot tell you which ones they are because I have no idea. I just thought this was very cute and it will be good for this video. I will add the link to Crafts for Paws so you can meet all the puppies that we help. So all we're doing now is making sure that all the little pieces go where they belong. We are not gluing this, okay? We're just making sure that we're not missing any pieces and that everything fits. And it does. So we're gonna just get them all out, and I'm gonna put some foam tape, double-sided foam tape, a little bitty piece of it in the back. The idea is that when you give this card, you're gonna give to your friend or to your relative, just like this. The card is gonna be just the way you see it, and then there's gonna be an envelope with the little pieces. And because we're using this foam tape, they're gonna be able to just remove the back of the tape and then piece it together themselves. This will be perfect for kids' cards too. They will love to just do the puzzle. And I believe they all have foam tape now. So the sentiment is gonna be something saying happy crafting. This is from Altenew. It's I think a set from last year. Just making sure that it's straight. many times because somehow I can cut straight. So that's gonna go there, I think. You know, it's up to them if they decide to put it there, because we're adding double-sided tape also, so they are able to put it wherever they would like. So this is gonna be pretty much my version of a puzzle card. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and watch all the other videos that we have. We have a couple on coloring. So this is a large envelope, because remember, we need to use another small one to put all the pieces together. Make sure you close it, you seal it, because then you might lose a little piece of it if you don't. And that's it. That's how you would gift this card. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye.